Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a collaboration video hosted by my sweet friends Kimberly from Kimberly's Designing on a Dime, as well as Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. They are hosting the Fall Tablescape Challenge. I hope you enjoy. This is my dining room table, guys, and I started by adding my Z Gallery fake fur runner. I absolutely love this table runner, guys. It's from Z Gallery and I picked it up last Christmas, and I'm going to use it definitely for a Christmas tablescape. I then added these glitter charges that I picked up from Kmart last Christmas. They were just $2. To give my tablescape some contrast, I also added these beautiful floral charges that I also picked up from Kmart. Also from Kmart, guys, were these beautiful pink and blue rainbow unicorn style plates. Then my most exciting purchase of all, guys, Target Australia have finally come to the party and released some glam pumpkins. When I style my tablescape, guys, I love nothing more than layering. I love that the two charges were completely different size, and I love the colours of those little plates. And I absolutely love the gold glitter pumpkins from Target, and I use them as an individual centerpiece for each of the setting. I then added my beautiful bling napkin rings. They're from bedazzled.com, guys, and I absolutely love them. I took a packet of white napkins and I added them to the napkin rings, as well as the alternative ones, which were gold polka dot. Now, one of the rules of this tablescape was to create a DIY. I started with these beautiful flower garlands that I just recently picked up from my local dollar store. I had two of these and I simply draped them across the table runner. I then wanted to create a centerpiece for my table, so I took this dollar store pink box that I glued on a Chanel logo, as well as some floral foam which I added inside. I also took these dollar store pumpkins that I spray painted white. I then took these beautiful white fake hydrangeas from my local dollar store, and the star of the show is this gorgeous little squirrel that I picked up recently, guys, for just 50 cents from my local thrift store. Now, bringing it all together, I just placed my little box onto a cake stand, then added my floral foam. Now, rather than cut the stems of these beautiful flowers, I just rested them crosswise across the top, using the floral foam as visual height. And I placed my sweet little squirrel right in the centre. I then took those dollar store pumpkins and I placed them in the middle of the floral garlands. And to finish off my centerpiece, I took these beautiful white fake flowers from TK Maxx and placed one at either end. Guys, I absolutely love to play around with different styles of tablescapes, and this one happened to turn out to be one of my favourites. I love how I combine different colours and textures. For example, using the gold and the black, as well as that beautiful pop of colour with my two favourite colours on that plate. And then of course adding shell sparkle to the whole centrepiece really brought it home. As well as doing this simple DIY and adding my favourite flowers. Tablescapes, guys, do not have to be expensive. Majority of this stuff here is dollar store items. I use dollar store, Kmart and Target. My high-end purchase would probably be that table runner, but other than that, it was all very inexpensive. Guys, I absolutely love to shop at Kmart and Target. They definitely have some beautiful home decor, all at affordable prices, as well as checking out your local dollar stores. For example, my little pink box was just a gift box from a dollar store. I printed out a Chanel logo, glued it to the front, and added these beautiful white fake flowers. The thing I love most of all about this particular tablescape is that I went out of my comfort zone. Normally, guys, it would have been lots of gold and lots of bling with maybe pops of pink. But I love that I went a little bit different by adding those black floral charges from Kmart. And I think it ties in so beautifully with all the decor. A big shout out has to go to my sweet friend Kimberly from Kimberly's Designing on a Dime, as well as my beautiful friend Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, who have hosted this wonderful challenge. Guys, be sure to check out a wonderful playlist created for this fantastic challenge. There's so many creative YouTubers out there that have participated, and if you'd like to get some more inspiration for your tablescapes, please go check out that playlist, which I'll link down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to have a go at your very own fall tablescape this weekend. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.